you children? Hope you are doing wonderful. Even I am great with the grace of the God. I am back with a new lesson today. So we have done with the first lesson and we have done with the meanings of the lesson. After that, children, you have fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following. So I want all of you to do this in your textbooks. I want you to do that in your textbooks. Page number 13 and 14. I will be giving you question answers later. But I want you to do page number 13 and 14 from your textbooks. Today we are going to learn grammar. What is grammar? Grammar is something which is very important in English. Without grammar, you won't be doing your speaking skills or written skills or your vocabulary or your pronunciation. So grammar is very, very, very important. You have to learn grammar. The primary thing which you have to learn in grammar is parts of speech. Parts of speech are very, very important. The first part of speech is noun. The first one is noun. What is a noun? What is a noun? Noun refers to name of a place, person, thing and animal. For example, names of people like Jaya, Ravi, Rajesh, Dinesh, Saujanya, Saundarya. All these are names of a person. Now, names of a place. What are place? The place which we live in. Like London, England, France, Korea, Hyderabad, Jawaharnagar, Rahmatnagar. All these are places. Okay. Then thing. What are things? Like we have basket, sofa, curtain, marker, pen, pencil, computer. So, curtain, chappal, sandal. All these are things. Okay. And animals, you all know about animals, okay? Cat, dog, monkey, donkey, peacock, hen, crow, all these are animals. These are the names of the animals. So noun talks about the name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing and name of a animal. I have given you few examples like Jaya. Jaya is the name of a person. Donkey. Donkey is the name of an animal. Delhi. Delhi is the name of a place. Basket is the name of a thing. So all these are nouns. Okay. Please copy down. Okay. Hope you all copy. Now, today there are types of nouns. There are different types of nouns. We'll be doing those today. Today we'll be doing types of nouns. Common noun. Common noun. Please write down your main heading as common noun. What is a noun? Noun talks about name, place, thing and animal, right? So what are common nouns? Which are used very commonly. Which are used very commonly. Those are called common nouns. What is a noun? It talks about name, place, thing, animal. So what are common nouns? Which are used very commonly. Those are called common nouns. For example, normally, regularly, we use those nouns. What are common nouns? Common nouns are the nouns of any, names. Common nouns are names of any person, place, thing, animal which are very common. Okay, which are very commonly used. So these are called common nouns. For example, cow, very common. Boy, very common. Okay. Tree, very common. House, very common. Dog, very common. And what else? Our place which we live in is Hyderabad. So very common. So these are all common nouns. nouns. Very simple, children. The nouns or names which we use very commonly in day-to-day life are called common nouns. Is that clear? Please copy down the common noun. Okay, hope you have copied. Now we will go to the next noun, that is proper noun. The second one in types of nouns is proper noun. Now proper noun. Okay, any common noun which has a specific name is called a proper noun. Any common noun which has a specific name is called a proper noun. For example, I said boy is a noun. Okay, the name of the boy, for example, the name of the boy is Jimin. So Jimin is a proper noun. Okay. Children, what is a proper noun? Any common noun which has a specific name. Which has a specific name. For example, boy is a common noun. So what is the name of the boy? Jimin is the name of the boy. So Jimin is a proper noun. Is that clear, children? And tree. Tree is a common noun. Tree is a common noun. Whereas banana tree. Banana tree is a proper noun. Okay. And dog is a common noun. Dog is a common noun. But the name of the dog, Jack. Jack is the name of a dog. So Jack is the proper noun. Did you understand? And one more. Girl. Girl is a common noun. Any girl. The short girl, long girl, tall. Any girl is a common noun. Whereas the name of the girl, Sunita. Sunita is a girl. So Sunita is a proper noun. Okay, children? Understood? Hope you all understood. So the special name given to a common noun is a proper noun. Understood? Come on, let's write down proper noun. If the common noun is given a specific name, then it is called a proper noun. That is called a proper noun. Correct? Okay. Now I am giving you few examples. Okay. Jimin is playing. What is Jimin? Jimin is a boy. His name is Jimin. So boy is a common noun, whereas you are giving a name to that boy, so it is Jimin. So Jimin is playing. So Jimin is a proper noun. Okay. Kitty drank. Kitty drink milk. Kitty is a cat. Kitty is a cat. Okay, the name of a cat is Kitty. So Kitty is drinking milk. Okay, Kitty is drinking milk. Okay. Is that clear, children? Hope you understood what is a common noun and what is proper noun. The common nouns are nouns which we use commonly in day-to-day life. Okay, whereas proper nouns are the specific name given to the common noun is a proper noun. Hope you all understood. So now you have this exercise in page number 14. I want you to write down the definition and everything of proper noun in a new page, common noun in one page and proper noun in another page. And the most important exercise which I wanted you to do is, please collect the old books or old magazines or newspapers, and I want you to circle the common nouns and write CN. Circle common nouns and write CN. Okay. Underline the proper nouns and write PN. Is that clear, children? Is that clear? Circle the common nouns and write CN. Underline the proper nouns and write PN. This is your homework and exercise, and I want all those common nouns and proper nouns which you have collected from different books and different magazines. Please write down those nouns in your homework. Is that clear, children? I am telling you once again, please take your old books, old English books or EVS books or your magazines or your newspapers, English newspapers. Circle common nouns and write CN. Underline proper nouns and write PN. So write all common nouns in one page in your homework, all proper nouns in one page in your homework. Is that clear? It is little difficult. Take your parents' help. You may have little confusion, but no problem. You will definitely learn what is common noun and with what is proper noun. Children, let me tell you, these nouns are very, 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 very important for your lifetime. Not just for your studies. I am not talking about your studies. For your lifetime. Even today, I should know what is a noun. Otherwise, I cannot survive. I cannot speak English. I cannot write English. Is that clear? So, very, very important for your life. Don't forget, don't neglect. Is that clear? So, take your parents' help and do this exercise. Very important. Okay, we'll meet in the next class, children. As I told you, please do the exercises. Page number 13, page number 14 and page number 15 also. Okay, page number 13, 14 and 15 from your term books. Is that clear, children? Hope you all understood. You had a great day today. You had a wonderful teaching today. God bless you, children.